experience. It's So how was your new year? Mine, I did something unique this year. Kasi every year or every new year or every Christmas, I do something different. Not really something different, but I try to celebrate Christmas and New Year in different place or households. This year, I tried something different kasi I saw a post online and I'm thinking na, oh, magandang trigger to ah. In my 32 years of existence, I've never tried celebrating New Year alone. Habang pinaplano ko siya, it's very scary, I'd say. You will be alone on a New Year. Technically, I'm alone and naisip ko, why not celebrate New Year alone? So habang iniisip ko siya, I was thinking, kaya. So what I did, I celebrate alone. Nasa room lang ako and surprisingly, okay naman pala siya. It's nice to celebrate alone because you can, based on my experience, you get to reminisce the people that happened, things that happened to you from the previous year, and the people that were with you during that year. And may mga bagay pala na nasa mind lang natin may mga bagay pala na nakakatakot lang siya sa mind natin, but when you get to execute, okay naman pala. I mean, nothing has changed. It was like a regular day. Yan. What I did that night, when it was 12, since I'm a Christian, I just prayed, starting the year right by thanking all the blessings that you have received, being grateful, having a heart of gratitude, having a thankful heart. Maganda naman pala. The first hour of 2026, I tried to spend it with myself. So what I did, I prayed, I ate, and watched a movie. And the first hour of 2026, I made sure na I was choosing myself. And during that time, I felt peace and joy. So my fear of celebrating New Year alone was just in my mind naman pala. So kaya naman pala mag-celebrate alone. And I'm happy that I was able to face that fear or to brave that fear. Tama ba to brave that fear? Hoping for good things to come. I hope that was a good palihi for this year. How was your new year? And I hope you can also get to start the year right by walking, by getting a healthy lifestyle. We don't know what the future holds, and let's hope for the best. God bless everyone, and Happy New Year. Bye-bye.